and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. I'm sitting down first thing this morning to do something that I've been doing every single day almost for the past couple of months now, and that is to do a little journaling. I bought this little book and I had been meaning to get back to actually writing things down, pen and paper, for a while. Everything's so digital these days with all of our work and everything that I realized that sometimes I go days, even weeks, without even touching a pen, without writing anything on any physical piece of paper. And I was like, okay, I need to write a little bit. Guys, this is getting ridiculous. So what I decided to do is every morning, first thing, before I start my day, I set a timer for 5 minutes and then I just write. And whatever comes out, it's usually like what I'm doing that day or just anything I want to, get out. And 5 minutes, timer goes off and I stop. I mean, I finish my sentence, but I don't go on. Usually I get about a page in this book, and that's what I've been doing. So I'm going to do that again today, and I encourage you guys to do the same because I've really been enjoying it. If you're somebody who likes to put pen to paper and get their thoughts out, but don't have a lot of time, this method, by kind of forcing me to do it first thing, by setting a timer, has been really helpful for me. Everybody can spare 5 minutes, So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna get on with our day. I just finished editing today's Vlogmas. That's uploading right now. But this that I got on Black Friday from Sephora has been sitting on our kitchen counter for days. Because I need to put it in here, which this looks empty now, but I keep these bags and stuff in here. And so I was just waiting for a time where I could like organize this little drawer and open all of this stuff and put it in there. I picked this up so that I would have like travel products for next year, because I'm actually like almost out of a bunch of my stuff, because I feel like Sephora has been lacking on their like samples and rewards lately. They haven't been really good, so I haven't really added any to my cart recently. So I am now going through this. And then I think I'm finally gonna make those cookies that I didn't end up doing yesterday. It is lunchtime now, and I am off to the gym to squeeze in a quick little workout over my lunch break. I have you on top of the fridge, and I'm like on my tippy toes. Maybe let me oh, there we go. Sitting on the counter. I'm getting my protein shake out to have, it's like part of my lunch. I think I'm gonna have an apple and peanut butter also with it. Ashley is at the gym right now, and so I'm gonna take advantage of her not being here and get in the kitchen, and I'm gonna bake another batch of those almond butter cookies that I made Sunday. Yeah, that's Vlogmas Day 2. Because they are really, really good, and I only have one left. I've been having like one every night as like my dessert. I think Alex has had one or two, and so has Ashley. So I have not eaten them all myself, but
As far as cookies go, they're actually not that terrible for you. So you know what? I'm gonna eat a cookie every night for dessert. Nobody sue me. So yeah, I'm gonna make that. Then we as in Ashley and I are gonna meet and have a meeting about the sister market. We have lots of new product ideas. We need to figure out new, well, not new, just some different like shipping boxes and stuff. There's lots of like technical things. And then also, oh wait, maybe I can talk about it. See, wait, this video goes up tomorrow and you'll find out tomorrow. Okay, excellent. So we are doing something very exciting with Sister Market. We are doing something that we are calling 12 Days of Deals that is starting Saturday, so tomorrow for you. And every single day on the Sister Market, there's going to be a new deal for your holiday shopping. Everything was posted today, so you'll know exactly what's happening on what day, so you can plan it out if there's something certain that you want. We just wanted to have a way to like give back. We're so thankful for all of the like Black Friday, Cyber Monday orders that we got. It was crazy. Mom did such a good job like getting everything out. It was definitely, October and November have been by far our best months so far. Everything is just like gone up. It's crazy. So we just wanted a little way to give back. So we've got a great little deal for you every single day. So I'll link down to the blog post down below, and you can start planning out your holiday shopping, which is really exciting. So now I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna make my cookies. Cheers.
Okay, just finished it about 30 minutes on the elliptical. Now I'm going to go and get some lunch because I'm hungry.
I need to get my cookies out of the oven, but somebody's in the kitchen making her lunch.
I'm starving. I thought I was starving.
This countertop, it's a mess.
I cleaned it this morning.
No, I'm just like all of the junk. I just don't know a better place to put the stuff. That's my problem. I don't know where.
Well, we live in a tiny New York City apartment. There is not a lot of storage.
All right, let's check on our cookies. Oh, hello. Watch out, please. Thank you. I think I'm gonna get them out because I've done them way over the time, but they just don't seem to be done. I don't know. They look good though.
I popped out to Starbucks to grab coffees for Shelbs and I. They do happy hour on Thursday afternoons. Buy one, drink, get one free, which is a great little deal for us. So we just kind of take turns buying. However, I think I've bought more recently than she has. But we were having a little chat about some Sister Market stuff. You guys are so great that we kind of blew out of some of our inventory during like Black Friday sales. So we're furiously trying to get some stuff restocked. So we're just having a little chat about that. We also ordered coffee for our mom from Starbucks, which got us thinking about we wanted some ourselves. But we can like sign up on like an Uber Eats account, which runs in Dallas. It's one of the like delivery services, and we just sometimes will randomly surprise her with coffee. We thought she was home because we had talked to her like 5 minutes before that, and she was home. But by the time the coffee got there, she left to go run errands, and we didn't know she was gonna be gone. So the guy's like calling Shelbs, like, nobody's home. I called mom, and she had just gotten to Target. We're like, to the delivery guy, can you just leave it on the porch? She'll be back. So mom had to leave Target to go get her coffee off of the front porch of their house. But anyways, good times. All right, well, I need my hand to get in the door and drink coffee, get back to work.
Okay, we're having a little Sister Market meeting. I don't know if I showed the cookies. The cookies are done. No, I did. Again, losing my mind. Ashley brought me my coffee, and now I have a plate of apple, cinnamon, and peanut butter, which, you know, health, all that peanut butter on my apples. Those two are chilling there. Where's Poppy? There she is. Poppy was upset, but we're just talking through some Sister Market stuff, ordering some new samples of some new things, which is exciting. Yeah, that's pretty much our day until I leave to go work out at 6 tonight. It's so cold outside. I'm on my way to to the gym. Tonight I have boxing with Alex, so I'm about to meet her there. Ashley's still at home working out stuff for the sale that's going up tomorrow. But it's gonna be a good class.
Got all of our work done. It is evening now. Shelby just left to go to the gym. And I'm about to hop in the shower. Please ignore how gross and greasy and disgusting my hair looks. I'm about to take care of it. I wanted to share kind of what I'm gonna do. So I have been trying out these products from Olaplex for about the last month now. I got a little sample pack from Sephora where it came with a shampoo and a conditioner and this treatment and then one other like smoothing product. So basically what this is it's kind of like a deep treatment conditioner. It's called the Hair Perfector number 3 and it's supposed to repair and strengthen all hair types. This is the little mini bottle of it. I mean, it's not that small. It's like 3.3 ounces. I probably used this about 4 times now and I have only used about that much. So even just the small size is perfect if you want to try something because it is kind of pricey. So you're supposed to leave this on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. And so my process is, and you have to put it on wet hair. So I get in the shower, wet my hair, put this on, throw it up in like a bun, and then I take a bath for about 30 minutes, just relax, read something, let it work. And then I take a shower, wash it out, shower as usual. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wet my hair, slather this on, then take a shower and move on with the rest of my evening. Again, these products are a little bit pricey, so might be, you know, not accessible for everybody, but I have noticed a difference in my hair since I started using this. It's softer, smoother. I'm noticing a little bit less breakage. And I actually just yesterday bought the full size shampoo and conditioner Olaplex from Sephora. So I'm all in. Apologies. Oops, sorry. Apologies if you hear Poppy growling in the background. I have no idea what she's doing. Why are you growling? Are you stuck? What's the problem? We put these pajamas on her today, but her feet keep getting stuck. Is that the problem? Are you stuck and you can't get down? There. Is that better? You look so sad. Okay, do you want to come take a bath with me? Are you going to bark at me in the tub and try to jump in the tub the whole time? Yeah. Okay. We'll try anyways, huh? You're cute. She's just staring at me, which is fun and relaxing. Blow dried my hair, and then I opened up a very exciting package that came today that I've been super pumped about. Over Black Friday sales, Bobble Bar had a great sale on some really cute rings that I got. They're like originally $44. They had like a Black Friday deal for they were $12. Like a huge discount. You guys probably saw me talking about it on other various things, but they came today. And so I thought I'd show you guys quickly. They're not on sale anymore. I'm not even sure if they're available currently, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. I got 3 different rings. Oh, let me try not to give you the finger. This little, they call it the mini ring. And then this one that's on my pinky, they only had in small sizes. So I like it on my pinky, or I'll show you another way that I'm gonna potentially wear it here in a second. And then on this hand, I have a larger ring which is super fun. They also had ear cuffs on sale, and I just have one piercing. I think I've said that in another video this week. So I was looking for another way to kind of jazz up my ear a little bit. So I put that here. It was a pack of like, I think it's 6 different ones in different colors, but how cute is that? Just a little ear party. And this one was purple to match my PJs. So I'm rocking the bling, but hang on, let me show you. So I like it kind of like this, mixed in with my Sister Market ring. So there's that hand, and then here is this hand. So I like it like this, or this is kind of fun with the smaller one on the middle part of my finger. Our aunt wears rings like this all the time, and I think it's really cute. So that is a possibility for how I may wear it. But then also I like it like with these two stacked together is kind of fun. They're the same iridescent color, just different sizes. So lots of ways that you'll probably see me wearing these in the coming weeks. These are the other colors of the ear cuffs. So they're all kind of pretty jewel tones. I'm excited. I might even try wearing more than one together, like clumped together on my ear. That might be cute. Also, this is the weighted blanket on my bed. I did sleep with it last night. I'm not sure if I mentioned, actually. I might not have, but yesterday I had a pretty bad migraine all day. It wasn't like a debilitating one, but it was just kind of there all day. I was still able to function, but by the time I went to bed last night, it was pounding. It was awful. So I actually didn't sleep that well, just because I was tossing and turning because I was in pain and uncomfortable. So while I used it last night, I was so uncomfortable that I don't feel like that was a good true test of the blanket. So feeling great today. I'm gonna use it again tonight, and I'll update you guys tomorrow after what I hope is a more peaceful, restful night's sleep, my thoughts on the weighted blanket.
Okay, it is the end of the night now. I am about to brush my teeth and do all my nightly skincare. Sorry, I disappeared for a second. I was looking for this. I wash, because I sleep with a retainer in every night. I wash it every night with denture cleaner, which actually always makes fun of me, but I'm like, how else are you supposed to wash it? Like, I feel like that's like the best option. So I do that. It is, I don't know, my watch died. I think it's close to 11. But I'm staying up till at least midnight tonight because Harry is releasing a new song and I think video tonight at midnight. So I'm staying up to watch that. So I have a couple people's Vlogmas videos that I think I'm going to watch tonight up until then. But we had just like a pretty low-key day because today was Thursday, so it was still like a work day situation. But tomorrow's Friday, so we're gonna work day to day. And then we have some fun holiday festivities starting tomorrow night. The weekends are gonna be big on like our holiday fun stuff. We're only here for 2 weekends before we go back to Dallas for Christmas, and there's some fun stuff planned in Dallas as well. But yeah, we have some fun things planned. We're going to one of our favorite holiday markets tomorrow night. If you're like an OG follower, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna brush my teeth now. Maybe I'll get on and talk about the song. My guess is probably not, but if I do, I'll see you then. If not, this is the end of the video, and I will catch you again tomorrow.